Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I gonna show you how to put chicken stock on the skewers. So it's a Arabic starter. So it's the process you have to follow always. So I wanna show you how to put this chicken breast on the skewers. So this is the process which you have to follow always. So each skewers you have to put 5 or 6 pieces of chicken breast. Okay, it's a boneless chicken. So each skewers you have to put 5 to 6 pieces of chicken. So and you know when you will put smoothly and in a nice way, so it cannot be moved. You can see it cannot be moved. So this is the process you have to follow always these things. And I would like to let you know it's an Arabic starter. And if we want to cook this all things, so we can use the grill, charcoal grill or electric grill. So whenever we have the equipment, so we can use over there as well as. So it's the process you have to follow always if you are putting putting any chicken items on the skewers, so you have to follow these things. So I want to just to show you these things, and I want to show you where I am keeping. You can see guys over here, and I'm just keeping on this container this skewers with the chicken. So that's it. And here I have a marination, so you can see as well as, so it's a chicken breast, boneless one. So there is no any bone inside, it's only breast, chicken breast. So that's it.